Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to Walmart for Thanksgiving shopping. We're going to look for things such as gravy, stuffing, green bean casserole, corn casserole, and so much more. So come with me so we can see what we can get from this store. Hey, my name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple. I'm your holistic pediatrician on call. My specialty is eczema, and my mission is to help you raise healthy kids in this unhealthy world. And Thanksgiving is almost upon us, and how do we get all that we need? So come with me, let's go to Walmart, see what this store has for us to prepare our meals for Thanksgiving. First, we are gonna go to green bean casserole. Here's the green beans in the frozen section. They're going to be $1. I love these much, and this is 10 ounces. Love these so much more than canned because we're not gonna have heavy metals and frozen items. You don't have to stress about organic. Of course, organic is best, but in this case, they are not on the dirty dozen. So okay if you must get them regular. And sometimes frozen is better than fresh. Frozen is vine ripened and packaged immediately. Fresh is gonna be picked green and has to ripen and transport. Now, these are green beans, so I'm not sure how you can tell that. Next, we have corn. Unfortunately, all we have is regular corn. This, I only buy organic, so we gotta look in the can section. Dairy-free. You can use organic coconut milk. I gotta tell you, on Thrive Market, I can get it for $1.99, so cheaper than Walmart. This is what I use for my creamed corn casserole and green bean casserole, substitute for dairy. All right, guys, you gave me the task of cream of mushroom soup. Oh, Lordy, this is gonna be tough. Let's look at the ingredients. Water, mushrooms, modified cornstarch, wheat flour. We have, canola and soybean oil. That's a definite no. Soy protein concentrate, natural flavoring, which we never know what that is. Yuck, that is no. What about this guy? Mushrooms, wheat flour, food starch, soybean oil, soy protein oil. Oh no, these are definite no's. Let's go see if we have something better. It's bad news, but check it. We got organic chicken broth. So when we even have Pacific Foods, this is $4.88. And our organic situation here is $1.84. All right. Y'all want me to find a substitute that is gonna be good for mac and cheese? Nope, not even that. Sorry, kiddos, and definitely not that. What is this? Yeah, okay. Flaming, okay, no. So, sorry, we're gonna have to make that from scratch, guys. Question was, can I find you instant mashed potatoes that are gonna pass the test? Well, let's see why I'm being annoying about this. Let's see. Oh, look, Idaho potatoes, vegetable oil. Number 2, maltodextrin. No, sugar, buttermilk powder. I don't even know the rest of the ingredients. Can't pronounce them. I'm a foreigner, but that doesn't matter. All right, let's see. What about the Idaho? What about these? Oh my gosh, when you see this many ingredients, you definitely just put it back. Don't even start reading. Sorry, guys, it can't be that hard to boil some potatoes and mash them up with some, butter and milk. All good. Guys, let's see. Let's make sure we don't give up. Oh, that's not that many ingredients. Oh, we never ever want to see this in our food. That is a terrible chemical. That is a preservative that only wreaks havoc on the system. Very inflammatory. So we have, gravy. This used to be my husband's favorite gravy of all time. Let's look. Turkey, chicken, fat, bleached wheat flour. That is always yummy. Bleached, cooked white turkey, yeast extract, disodium, natural flavor, non-fat, maltodextrin, caramel color. Yeah, definite no. Corn maltodextrin, a lot of maltodextrin, which is a preservative. That's a no. Onion, sorry. And then, of course, soybean oil. Terrible. Oh, it's now onto this stovetop. I'm just gonna be the fun police. I'm just giving you a foreshadowing here. Let's see, wheat flour, niacin, tons of high fructose corn syrup. Really, we're still putting that in food. Hydrolyzed soy. Just the moment you see hydrolyzed soy, this is a trans fat. The FDA is very tricky. Trans fat, look here, 0 grams. If it's less than has to be less than 0.5 milligrams to be called 0 grams. That's not 0 grams. So this product contains a trans fat, which we know is a heart attack inducing oil. I've always been like, I'm buying better if I get this guy. So let's look. Let's take a little deeper look at the ingredients. Okay, well actually, here we go. Sugar in here. When was the last time you put sugar into your stuffing? But anyway, we got vegetable oil, canola oil, molasses, ascorbic acid. Okay, so soy contains soy. All right, but if I was like, okay, I have to pick one or the other, this is better than this. I personally don't use either, but I'm just saying if you have to make the choice, this is better than this. Oh Lord, ready for some more bad news? Yams, right? Sweetened with Splenda. Really? Are you kidding me? This is just sweet potatoes. Okay, look here. This is a definite no. Just buy some potatoes that you can bake in the oven. Well, it's not all bad news. Look, we have organic corn that we can use for our corn casserole or just a side of corn. Make your life a little easier. Pro tip, when buying veggies in a can, make sure the cans are not dented. When the can is dented, increases the leaching of aluminum and cadmium into your food. Oh, let's see what these onions are all about for our green bean casserole. Let's look what's on the ingredients. So we start with onions, palm oil, terrible oil to have in your food, and then of course there's dextrose and salt. What about this one? Let's say onions, wheat flour, sunflower or safflower oil, sea salt. Which one would I get? I would get this instead of this one. I mean, me personally, I'm not buying either, but if you have to make a choice, this one. All right, people like to make creamed corn, so they'll use Jiffy corn mix. Let's see why I don't like it. Oh, because it's got palm oil, soybean oil. We don't even have to go any further. And what about this guy? Well, also lots of additives and ingredients. It's got canola oil. But here's the thing, guys. Corn mix is actually flour, cornmeal, sugar, salt, and baking soda. Easy peasy. Or you could just do a side of corn without all the hoopla. It makes it so much easier and faster. Maybe we'll find something here in the seasoning mix. Okay, so this has got flour, corn syrup, solids, sugar. The amount of sugar in here. Natural flavors. Ugh. Y'all, I'm trying. Let's see this guy. What does it have? Corn starch, palm oil, corn syrup, solids, hydrolyzed soy. Remember, it's trans fat. Hey guys, I know this has been a really frustrating trip. Now you get to see the price we pay for convenience. In order to feed our children and our families on this lovely and favorite holiday season, we are feeding them chemicals, garbage, and I'm sorry, poisonous things in order to take some shortcuts because there's so much cooking to do. But fear not. Sign up for my newsletter, and I'm gonna give you, after the Halloween holidays over, I'm gonna give you tons of holiday recipes that are easy, quick, and delicious, and are gonna save your children's health. My name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple, and as I said, my mission is to help you raise healthy kids in this very obviously unhealthy world. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my future videos where we're gonna go to Costco and Target, where we will find some convenience foods that are gonna help make your life a little easier during this holiday season, but without taking shortcuts on our health. In the meantime, if you need any extra help with your eating or all these ingredients I talked about, don't forget to go over to Amazon and grab a copy of my book where I outline all the things you need to stay away from and how you can do substitutions to benefit your whole family. Till next time.